celebrate. As inyanga, I just turned 50 something. I was celebrated my birthday, but now I said to myself, I'm not going to reach 60 years. That people, they can touch it as a tangible, something that does not expire, something that does not get finished. I am writing a dictionary, a herbal medicinal dictionary. Lana sihlaziya imithi ngobunjalo bayo. Imithi emedicinal ne-non-medicinal, like uqadolo, we need to know njengoba bedla uqadolo unani, upopo unani, amagwava anani. Yonke into umgano unani. We need to break down all that. Amajikjola nani, impande zakhona zenzani. We need to break down all that. Umyezane wenzani. Yonke into. We need to tell people abantu abafikayo eminyangeni, abafikayo evarsity benza office yesekhenye kwa natural medicine. Bazi ukuthi if befuna i-chemistry, chemical constituency yale plant le abasuke beyihlaziya ngaleso sikhathi bazothi yini. You understand? Maybe ufuna ungena ku-allium sativa, so called garlic, bazobreaka kanjani. Maybe ufuna ungena zingipha officinale, office called ujinja, bazongena kanjani, bazothola kanjani. And sine dictionary ke engiyibhalayo, ngiyibhalela ke la ukuthi ngazi ukuthi at least abantu abeza kuthina, abantu abakhulayo beza kuthina njengenyanga, bezothatha umsebenzi womnyanga, bazi ukuthi there is something abazo refer